Drying out of plants. The major problem faced in summer, especially in this part of India where the temperature goes until 41 to 45 degrees Celsius, is that even if the garden is not watered for 2 days, then it dries out fast. You can see the bamboo grass should be as green as this, but it dried out in the pot I showed earlier. It can be observed that the plants in the pot are more affected in summer. For this I have used drip system which can be turned on automatically from anywhere using mobile phone. I will explain the system in later videos. Another system is a pot which has water container. It can store the water till this point and can store water for weeks. It has a pipe for filling the container within the bucket. I'll show later how to create such at home. Water leakages. Normally the water leaks from the parapet wall since there is no concrete in between the wall and the slab, so it is covered with tiles. We have a sandwich type waterproofing, means there is a 3 alternate layers of concrete, bricks and concrete for extra safety. Apart from that, there are tiles placed at the back and the joints are filled with cement. The same is done at the bottom of the bed. Also a lot of cement and anti-leakage chemicals like Dr. Fix-It is used, just to take that extra care. Honeybee comb. When we plant lot of flowering plants, then the honeybees get attracted to the garden and there is a probability of them building a honeycomb in the garden. So keep an eye on them. Waste management, dried leaves and flowers. What to do of the dried leaves and flowers is a very basic question when we grow a terrace garden. What I usually do is make a mulch out of them. This helps retain water in summer and in rainy season it becomes a good manure. Heat burns. A correct selection of plants for terrace garden is very important. Some plants grow very good for 8 months. But in summer season, the leaves start to burn even if they are watered correctly. Semi-shadow plants should not be used in terrace garden. Especially the fern, it grows great rest of the year, but in summer it just burns off. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.